difference between stillborn and a deadborn. What exactly the stillborn? What exactly the deadborn? Deadborn जो हमने बताया कि baby died in the uterus and then mother delivers the baby. That is what is called as a deadborn. ये हमेशा वाइवा में पूछता है, and this is also got importance in the OBGY third year. Or there can also be a stillborn. Stillborn का मतलब है baby was alive, but while labor the baby died. मतलब baby died during the labor process. Of course डिलीवरी होने के बाद baby did not breathe any time, लेकिन baby was alive in the uterus when the labor started and the baby died during the labor. Baby died during the labor. That is what is the difference between deadborn and a stillborn. So this is what becomes a difference. It can be very commonly asked in the vivas. If you can see the deadborn fetus and a stillborn fetus. Deadborn में क्या आएगा? Fetus which is born after 28 week of pregnancy and which did not breathe or show any other signs of life at any time after being completely born. See, live born का मतलब है उसने थोड़ा सा सांस लिया तो वो live born हो जाएगा. Still born मतलब baby died during labor. Dead born का मतलब है fetus which has died in the utero. Which has died in the utero. If you can see, fetus was alive in the utero but dies during the process of delivery. Okay? अब ये अलग अलग क्यों किया गया? Because if the baby died during the labor process, it is a negligence on the part of a doctor. And because of that, these two definitions are separate. क्योंकि dead born है तो dead born है तो obstetrician कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Baby already had died in the utero. Baby already had died in the utero. So dead born and stillborn has got medical legal importance. Stillborn मतलब baby was alive in the utero when the labor started and baby died while the delivery was happening. Whereas deadborn is already dead. Seen mostly among the illegitimate and immature male children in primary gravidas. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, हर कोई इसमें रह सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. साइंस ऑफ प्रोलॉन्ग लेबर हो सकता है क्योंकि क्यों डेथ हो गया डिलीवरी के टाइम? क्योंकि लेबर शायद ज़्यादा टाइम चला. बेबी पेशेंट में हैव ब्लीडिंग into the scalp, caput succedendum. So all those are the signs that labor was neglected. That itself says that delivery was neglected. यहाँ पे वैसे कोई नहीं मिला. यहाँ पे अपने को राइगर मॉर्टिस मिलेगा बेबी में एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी, मैसरेशन मिलेगा, स्पाल्डिंग साइन, रॉबर्ट साइन, ममिफिकेशन जो हमने अभी देखा. दैट विल बी सीन इन अ डेड बॉर्न, नॉट दिस स्टिल बॉर्न. क्योंकि वो रिमेंबर स्पाल्डिंग साइन जो है वो 48 आवर्स के बाद आता है, सॉरी 7 डेज के बाद आता है. रॉबर्ट साइन जो है वो 2 हफ्ते के बाद आता है. ममिफिकेशन 2 हफ्ते के बाद आता है. सो डेड बॉर्न fetus and stillborn has got